Alright, in this video we're going to solve a limit using Desmos, which is an online graphing calculator. You can find it by either typing Desmos into Google or just typing in desmos.com. But anyway, here is the equation we're solving. Take a second, write that down if you want to follow along with us. Alright, now I will quickly set it up and show you how to solve it. So first thing you do is you just want to type in f of x equals the equation. Remember to hit the division sign before you type the top part of the fraction, otherwise it's gonna not work as well as it would. You're just gonna have to delete it and hit the fraction. You want to hit the fraction and then type the top and then the bottom. After you type the top, hit tab to go to the bottom and type that. Alright, now that I have that typed in, if you look back at your limit, you can see that it doesn't have a positive or a negative by the 2. And if there's a positive or negative up by the 2, like this one, then that means approaching from the right, and this one means approaching from the left. So this one without that just means approaching from the left and right. So you're going to have to find both. Alright, I will show you how to do that now. On Desmos, there's this nice thing that you can do that adds a table. You go to this plus sign over here and just hit plus table, and it's going to be pretty simple. You have x1 there, and over here you just want to go ahead and type in f parenthesis f of x1. And you might be asking yourself, how am I going to insert that subscript right there? You can go ahead and do that with this keyboard down here where it says show keypad. Just go ahead and click on that, and then click the ABC, and at the bottom left corner of the keyboard there's a subscript button, and you just type the 1 in and then type in the other side of your parenthesis, and pretty much that's going to be it. You just have to enter some numbers in here, and what a limit is finding the closest number to this that will go into this without you getting some crazy value without actually typing in the number that you're trying to find. So what we're solving is the limit of x approaching 2. So as x approaches 2, we're trying to find the closest thing to 2 that goes into this equation without putting 2 into it. So basically what we're going to do is put in all the numbers really close to 2, like 1.999 and 2.0001, and put those values down as the answer. And since it's x approaching 2 and not x approaching the right of 2, approaching from the right, or x approaching from the left, then your answer should be the same for both sides. But you want to put numbers in for both sides just to make sure that it's correct and that it's working properly, that the equation is working properly in the way it should be. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll see what we get. You want to start from far away and then put values moving in onto the limit. And as you can see, our limit appears to be getting closer and closer to 12 on both sides. So you can zoom out and then see there's our dots right there. You can zoom in on those, and it gets extremely close to 12. So therefore, we can round our limit, and the answer of this problem would be 12.
Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. See you in the next video.